It is February 2nd, 2011. We are going outside. Gotta take footage of this stuff.
Yeah, right?
Holy cow. So we are going outside down the road here. There's just a little path on the sidewalk here, as you can see. Just a little path. We're just gonna walk all the way down. There's nobody on the roads. It is approximately 9:45 in the morning, and we're walking, and this is some site on Belmont Avenue. We're just taking a little bit of a video here. I don't even know if we can get down the...
Did you bring the baby out?
Yeah, bring the baby out. I don't know if we can get down the road here barely. They just gotta pee right there, I guess. Yeah. Just gonna make our way down the road. Turn this off for a minute. Okay, we actually left it on. Sorry about that. We're just going down the road here. Oh, we see our first car. See our first car. Wave. First car down Belmont. That's in 1:36. So normally this road has a car coming down it every second. So now we're actually going to take a look at the side streets. See what those look like. So I'm walking across Hoyne, and I am knee-deep in snow. I'm knee-deep in snow. We can't even get through the side streets here. Side streets are completely snow-filled. There's actually people trying to shovel out cars in the middle of the road because I can't get a car down the road. So I might go over and help these people out. Shovel their car out. Pull it through. They could definitely use some help. Wow, it's nasty out here. I'm gonna have to go back inside. But you can see me. Take a look at how much snow, and there is the bus. There is the CTA going by. So those buses keep running. Oh. Wow. I mean, literally, we can't even get through here. This is a sight to see. Up, we see our fourth car down Belmont, but look at this. Now we can actually see a bike in the snow right there. The seat of a bike. That is the seat of the bike, ladies and gentlemen. Up, our next car coming down the road. Roads are actually decently plowed, but this is amazing. I've never seen anything like this before. Blizzard of 2011. What else can we see? Yeah, those side streets are really bad, so